Here we go, guys. Friday, November 6, 2020. Looking at the 2-minute chart. Each candle is 2 minutes price section. And if we dip under this line here, blue dash line, it's a 50% level of our previous. We're in. We're going to go. We didn't get the bottom. We got it in right in here. We took a market sell on margin. 1,000 shares looking to sell here, buy back lower. And the reason being is that if you look at the SPY over here, have a big push to the downside, and generally speaking, as a market, if it has a great week, profit takers come in on Friday, so we're looking for a little bit of downside today. As you can see, it came up and hit this double top little high pivot area yesterday, and our down trend line closed under it. And then we're kind of, weaker in the morning, market action here, on the SPY, which is really the spider ETF for the S&P 500. Let's go back over to AMD and the 2-minute chart. And we've pushed back up to the upside here. And then we'll see how this candle closes. We're short down here, and obviously we're out of the money right now as prices at 84.65. So we got another minute left. We're getting a little red in the markets here, which is possibly just that end of week profit taking, people institutions selling to the pump here in the early trading today. And depending on how this candle closes, that'll give us more confidence if we're gonna give it up and roll to the downside here. We're well extended over the 20 here. Yeah, here we go. And let's just see how far we can get this thing to done. We have a gap here. A lot of times, not always, but a lot of times these gaps are filled. Let me put this right here. So we gapped from the close yesterday, right here at this red candle, up to this level this morning. And here we go, gap down, but we turned green. So let's see if it just makes a higher, a lower high. If we run back up here, as long as we're making lower highs, that's good. We'll keep in here. And see how this turns out. It's kind of slow right now. It's holding. Well, there we go. We'll take that. Okay. We'll hold this through this candle and see where we go. And see if we can't push this thing to the downside a little bit more. We'll probably get out on this candle here, to be honest with you. Got 3 down, 3 red candles down. You know what, we're just going to take it. If we get to 80 again, okay, we're out, we'll just take it here. And we'll see if we made the right decision. Now, we're actually looking for it to come down to this gap fill here, or gap support. But as much as we've been ripping up and down, I didn't trust it, so we just got out at 80. Plus we're on a kind of a time count here. So let's see, we'll finish up this count. We got about 30 seconds left. And let's see how we do here. Yeah, still pushing. Yeah, we lost a little bit of profit here with it continuing down and getting out where we did, but I'm comfortable with that. Just get in, get out. Wow, it looks like we're going to go to the 20 then. Okay, guys, thanks for playing along. It worked out. As you can see, they pulled a lot of unknowing retail investors in on this big green candle, and kind of even on the candle we went short on, they kind of ran it up, trying to scare people out, and then turned and gapped it down and ran it down. And on Friday, like I was telling you, if the markets had a good week, most times on Friday, profit takers will come in and the markets will run down a little bit. So we took advantage of that, and didn't want to get greedy. That's where the most money ever lost, or not the most, the most times you lose money is when you get greedy and keep holding in there, thinking it's going to keep either going down if you're short or going up if you're long, and just go in, scalp it, take a few dollars off the table, like in Vegas, and and live to play another day. But all right, guys, thank you so much for being members, and we will see you on the charts.